Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter 4 brain teasers. Question number 1 you will do yourself. I am starting with question number 2. Express the ratios in simplest form. 10 liter to 0.25 liter. We always say that the ratio should have same units. Here the units are same, so we will write here 10 is to 0.25. That is 10 divided by 0.25, and it became, after removing the decimal, 100. Now 25 ones are and 4s are. So 40 by 1, that is the ratio became 40 is to 1. Similarly, B part, 2 hours to 45 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 60 minutes are 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So in all there are 3600 seconds in 1 hour. That is 2 hours will be equal to 2 into 3600, that is 7200 seconds. Now the ratio of 7200 seconds to 45 seconds we have to find. I hope you can solve it further yourself. I am leaving all these steps for you. Now in our C part there is written 13 weeks to 1 year. Units are not same, so here we will convert 1 year into weeks, and 1 year has 52 weeks. Remaining part I hope you can solve yourself. I just told you the conversion. Same here, in 1 century there are 100 years, and 1 decade has 10 years. Remaining I think you can solve 100 years to 10 years, and now we can find the ratio easily. After this, question number 5. Sahil weighs 36 kg, his brother weighs 2 kg more. Find the ratio of weight of Sahil's brother to Sahil. So we will write first of all Sahil's weight. His brother weight as is 2 kg more, so we will add here 2 in the weight of Sahil, and it became 38 kg. Now we are to find the ratio of weight of his brother to Sahil, that is 38 ratio 36. Now write the expression in the fractional form. Both of the numbers are divisible by 2, so the ratio became 19 ratio 18. Question number 6. In an orchard there are 150 trees. 65 of them are apple trees, 35 are pear trees, and rest are orange trees. Find the ratio of apple trees to pear trees, orange trees to apple trees, and pear trees to total trees. We are not given the value of orange trees, so first of all we will find that total trees are 150, apple trees are given 65, pears are given 35, and to find the value of number of orange trees we will add the number of orange and pear trees, and then we will subtract from 150, that is we got 50 trees. Now first part, ratio of apple trees to pear trees. Apple trees are 65, pear trees are 35. So to solve this expression we will divide, both of the numbers are divisible by 5, so the ratio in the simplest form became 13 ratio 7. Now B and C part of the question will be solved by you. Now question number 7. Cost of 1 dozen oranges is rupees 45, we are to find the cost of 1 score orange. We have already discussed about these units that 1 dozen is equal to 12 and 1 score is equal to 20. So, cost of 1 dozen, that is 12 orange, is equal to rupees 45. And cost of 1 orange, obviously that will be less, so we should do the division. Fine. Both of the numbers are divisible by 3. Now, to get the cost of 20 orange, we will multiply 20 by the cost of 1 orange, and that became rupees 75. Now, B part. How many oranges can be purchased for rupees 60? This time we are given the cost and we have to find the number of oranges. So we will write here rupees 45 in the left side, that for rupees 45 orange can be purchased 12. For rupee 1 it will be 12 by 45, and for rupees 60 number of orange that could be purchased will be more. Now both of these are divisible by the table of 15. 15 threes are and fours are. Now 3 ones are and 3 fours are. So at last I have got the product as 16, that is orange purchased are equal to 16. Clear? Question number 9. What is the ratio of number of even numbers to odd numbers from the set of natural numbers from 30 to 50? First of all, we will write the even numbers from 30 to 50, even numbers which are divisible by 2, and then odd numbers from 30 to 50. And now we will count the even numbers first. 4, 6, 8, 10 and 1, 11. So we have 11 even numbers and total 10 odd numbers. So to get the ratio of even numbers to odd number, we will divide 11 ratio 10. As 11 and 12 are not divisible by any number, so again it will become equal to 11 ratio 10. That is the simplest form. Now prime numbers and composite numbers from 1 to 20. Prime numbers from 1 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Composite numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. Now number of prime numbers are 8, composite numbers are 11. So the ratio will be 8 is to 11. It is clearly visible that both are not divisible by any of the number. So ratio will become 8 ratio 11. Now your homework is to complete brain teasers of chapter 4. Thank you.